So today is going to be kind of like a quick show and tell, if you will. I went ahead and I made this pillowcase, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, the pillow that I covered, and a little bit about the pattern. Hi, I'm Darlene, and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and this is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. So at the end of this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you have liked this video. All right, so I had a pillow that was just like this one, only it was white. And I'm thinking about doing the same thing with this pillow because I have washed this several times and it has some stains that just wouldn't come clean. And I'm getting a little tired of looking at a dirty pillow. So the white one, if you take this apart, it's not one of those pre-made pillows that are inside this case. It's just all stuffing. And if you crochet something like this, the stuffing is just going to come right through. So what I decided to do was just make a pillowcase to cover the pillow. And back at the beginning of September, I did a tutorial on how to crochet a circle to square, granny square. That was back on September 9th, I do believe that posted, but I'll go ahead and I'll leave that link in the description box below. So if you want to learn how to make a circle to square granny square, just going over to that tutorial. So what I did was, this is started off as a circle, and I went 1, 2, 3 rows of a circle before I turned it into a square. And then I just continued the square for the size of the pillow. And then that's a separate piece. That's its own piece. And then with a different yarn, I started the circle and I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows before I decided to turn it into the square. And then just continued until I reached the same size as this size. What you do is you hold each side over the pillow and you bring it together on the edges to make sure that this pillow is going to fit in the case. And then what you want to do is put each piece so that the you want them to be inside out. Okay, so once they're inside out, you hold them together and you would stitch them using either a mattress stitch or a single crochet or a slip stitch. That's your preference. And you would stitch 3 sides together. And then you would flip the pillowcase right side out and then put your pillow inside and then just finish sewing the last edge together. And you have this brand new pillow that nobody knows is this stained pillow on the inside. Quick solution. It didn't take long at all. I would just do it in the evening. So I just wanted to share that with you. So if you have a pillow that you want to cover, it's a really quick, easy pattern to do. Just while you're watching TV, you can do it in a night or in 2. So that's it for this video, and until next time, bye.